Welcome to the land of the Arochukwu Kingdom, a place where history and culture intertwine seamlessly. A place of rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty, the Arochukwu Kingdom offers a unique glimpse into the past. Located in the heart of Abia State, this ancient kingdom is a treasure trove of stories and traditions. This ancient kingdom has a story to tell that spans centuries. According to oral tradition, the Arochukwu Kingdom was founded in the 17th century by the Aro people. The Aro people, a subgroup of the Igbo ethnic group, migrated from the Igbo heartland in search of new lands and opportunities. They brought with them their rich cultural heritage, traditions, and a strong sense of community. The migration was not just a physical journey but also a spiritual and cultural one, as they sought to establish a new home. Under the leadership of their monarchs, the Arochukwu Kingdom flourished, becoming a major center of trade, commerce, and industry. The Aro people were renowned for their expertise in various crafts and trades. Their skills in ironworking, wood carving, and textiles were highly sought after, making the kingdom a hub of economic activity. The Aro people's craftsmanship was not just a means of livelihood, but also a way to express their cultural identity. Each piece of work told a story, reflecting the values and beliefs of the community. One of the most famous landmarks in Arochukwu is the Long Juju Shrine, a sacred site where the Aro people worship their deities. The shrine, believed to have been built in the 17th century, was a major center of spiritual power and a place of pilgrimage. It was here that the Aro people sought guidance and blessings from their gods, reinforcing their spiritual connection to the land. The arrival of British colonial officers in the late 19th century had a profound impact on the Arochukwu Kingdom. The British imposed their own system of governance, which eroded the power of the Aro monarchs and disrupted the traditional way of life. Despite these challenges, the Aro people remained resilient, adapting to the new circumstances while striving to preserve their cultural heritage. Today, the Arochukwu Kingdom is a thriving community with a strong sense of identity and culture. The Aro people continue to celebrate their traditions through vibrant festivals, dances, and community gatherings. Despite the challenges of modernization, they remain committed to preserving their heritage and promoting economic development. Efforts are being made to teach traditional crafts to the younger generation, ensuring that the skills and knowledge are passed down. The story of the Arochukwu Kingdom is a testament to the resilience and determination of the Aro people. From their ancient traditions to their modern-day achievements, the Arochukwu Kingdom is a place of wonder, discovery, and inspiration. The kingdom's scenic views, historic landmarks, and vibrant culture make it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history and culture. Consider visiting the Arochukwu Kingdom or learning more about its history and culture. It is a journey through time that promises to be both educational and inspiring. The Arochukwu Kingdom awaits you, with its rich tapestry of stories, traditions, and breathtaking landscapes.